We are kicking off Finance Friday today to help answer all kinds of money questions that you may have. Now, right now, while we're all staying at home, it's changing the way that we do everything these days, including banking. Now, you can bank from home just by going online, and many people are already doing this. But there are also more transactions available. Joining me live via Skype is Deirdre Davis, the Chief Marketing Officer with our sponsor, MSU Federal Credit Union. Thank you for being with us.
Absolutely. Glad to be here. Thank you.
So, first, tell us a little bit about MSU FCU.
Sure. So the credit union was started in 1937. We now have over 300,000 members worldwide. We have 19 branches in Michigan, and 5 of those are in the Metro Detroit area. And we also have a regional office that we will be breaking ground for very soon, and then we will be opening that in 2021.
That's very exciting. But now, what kind of services are financial institutions offering when it comes to banking remotely?
Sure. So, like you said, so many people are doing that nowadays with the stay-at-home order that's in effect, and there are so many things that people can do on their financial institutions' online banking platform. So, whether that's on the computer or through their mobile app, it's just remarkable. And so, some of the things that are most important and most valuable, I'd say right now, are making transfers between accounts. So maybe you have money in your checking account, your savings account, and you need to move that around. And then also paying bills. So if you're like me, I've got some bills to pay today. You can go onto your website, your financial institution's website, set up your various accounts as pays, and then you can pay them right out of your checking or savings account. And so that means you don't have to leave the house. You don't have to go to the post office to mail anything. You don't need to even write checks. You can just do it all online. And then also something else that is really great that we offer, and other financial institutions do as well, is called member to member. And this allows you to transfer money instantaneously to other members and at no charge. And so maybe you have a birthday that's coming up or other occasion, and you don't want to go to the store to get a gift or a gift card, and you don't, again, want to maybe mail that. And so this is a great opportunity where you can set that up and you can pick a card. So we have birthday cards, we have anniversary cards, all sorts of occasions, and that makes it so much easier than having to leave the house. Something else that's really valuable is e-deposit. And so again, this prevents you from having to leave your house and go to your financial institution. And you can simply take a picture of the check that you've received and then deposit that immediately into your account, and the funds will be there. And so every financial institution, of course, has different rules that will dictate how much of those funds are immediately available, but it's a great way to get those funds into your account, again, so you don't have to leave your house during this time.
No, that's great. Well, another thing that people are doing right now is reviewing their mortgages. Is this something that they can do remotely as well?
Yes, it's really, again, technology in these times is proving to be so valuable. And yes, on the app, you can apply for a mortgage. And so maybe you're taking a look and you find that your rate is a little bit higher than what market rates are. And so you could refinance, or maybe you're in the market for a new home. There are a lot of realtors that are still able to engage with you online. So as you're looking through different photos and reading about houses and so forth, you can absolutely apply. And maybe you're not ready to close on that mortgage during this time because you want to see, but you might take this opportunity to get pre-approved so that when everyone is able to get back out and you can go see houses in person, you know just what you'll be able to afford.
So how can we keep track of all of these transactions? Because it can get a little, haywire.
Right, definitely. So there are a lot of different features, again, that can be set up. So something like e-alerts, which will alert you anytime that there is a transaction made on your account, or also you can view your statements, and you should definitely review your accounts on a regular basis. So not just during these times, but at all times, to make sure there's not any kind of irregular activity. And so opening up the app, hopping online and taking a look at your account is a great way to stay protected and make sure that there's no fraudulent activity on your accounts. And like I said, setting up those alerts to let you know when there is any kind of transaction. And also, you can get daily balance alerts. You could get alerts when different payments need to be made and so forth. So many ways to stay on top of things. And again, you can get your statements, the full statement from the prior month, online as well.
Yeah, I'm a huge fan of alerts. Deidre, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate having
Absolutely.
you.
Thank you.
So, to become a member of the MSU Federal Credit Union and learn all about what they offer, visit their website, msufcu.org.